Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today a special video for a special delivery. I take my bike and I'm returned in the city to pick up that. And now I return back and go to my favorite location and we see what's inside. And here I am! Finally, I arrived! Now we can open this box. But first, let me remove all these motorcyclist old-fashioned tools. And now a special section. I've changed my dress, I've changed location because this is very important. I have to thank somebody. Here there's the list of the people, of the one of you that decided to support my purchase of this car with what they thought it was right. I thank all these people very much. This thing started like a joke. I decided to say, hey, it would be nice to receive this as a gift. And in part, quite an interesting part, it's a gift. I thank directly these people of the list. I thank also you that are watching my video, and watching my video I make a little money, very little, but they are money. So thank you very much to all. But I would like to thank also Luigi from Model Toys, a shop near Milan. Grazie Luigi. Model Toys è un negozio vicino a Milano di modellismo radiocomandato, molto ben seguito, molto ben fornito, molto gentili. L'e-commerce per loro è assolutamente la norma. Se avete bisogno di qualcosa provate ad andarci, cercatelo, magari vi metto il link in descrizione. This I told for the Italian people. I told how good is the shop where I bought this. First I wanted to buy in Switzerland, then things goes wrong, so I had at the last minute to find a shop in Italy, and I found in this Model Toy. Luigi is the owner, a very nice person. He make e-commerce, so also I think foreign country can ask something. Anyhow, Luigi was receiving just one of these cars. The Italian dealer is okay, no matter, just one, and this is the one. The next one he receives will be next week, then stop. And this is Italian commercial policy, ununderstandable. Okay, anyhow, thanks to everyone. Thank for your kindness, your participation and your support. Thank you very much. Return to the video. The box art is fantastic. On your side, this is what you find inside. We start from the frame. This is the real novelty of this car. This car has a frame with the body that is in Lexan in several pieces screwed on. This frame is grey, but I think that I'd want to do painted. Even if it is possible it will be all scraped better. of, wow, these are completely new. Plastic per pilot. These are the lights, headlights. Plastic. What a nice bumper we have. And the roads. Plastic. Very good plastic. Fantastic plastic. The frame. This is the frame without the opening for the battery, because to put the battery, this is the new wave on Tamiya. You need to do a little work. Of course, you can use battery for half an hour, so if you do some work to put it inside, but it is perfectly positioned. Okay. Wheels, it's always the same, this, okay, I will think it over. Other plastic parts, these are the side bars, covers, perhaps this is the rear bumper. This is very flexible, the main gear and the pinion cover is flexible. This is very clever. Sponge to wash yourself. No, to put into the wheels. The tires. About tires. The rear one are nice. Very nice design, but the front one, the front are for a tank. They're beefy. Very good tires. Paint inside, maybe. Then what else? Paper. Diagrams. This is to cut the mesh. Fantastic mesh. Then we have instructions. You want to see everything? No, I don't think so. You see, okay. This. This is the mesh, and these are. Okay, here inside we have all the hardware. Bearings, this is a good thing. Bearings. As usual. We have grease, bearings, oil, dampers, essential tools, servo saver. Always the thing that Tamiya has since, I don't remember how many years, really a lot of years. We put everything here inside, and this is it. To run this car you need to buy receiver, steering servo, ESC, engine. Four very important thing. ESC and receiver you can take from other cars using Velcro. Okay, it's quite a cost less. Steering servo, okay, at least $20–30. It's more than enough. The engine, you have to do a good choice, brushed or brushless. This is a vintage style car. Brushed, maybe. Which kind of brushed? Very powerful brushed. Tamiya, of course. But which one? Brushless. Okay, with an hobby wing 1060 60, yes, 1060 1060. You can use brushed, brushless. It's a good thing. It costs nothing. It's fantastic. It's perfect. Hobby wing, remember. And brushless. Temptation. But the Tamiya brushless are very, very expensive. So you have to put some, I hope not Chinese, but we follow at the end of the day we have to buy those products. And so I think that I will choose a brushed motor. Yes. And on this bombshell, I say you comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. I don't build this soon. I have other projects. Follow the channel and one day you will see the work and how good is it. By now on YouTube there are a lot of videos of this car working. I know mine, it's another thing. Ciao!